You can start making money even if you have $0 on your bank account. I will show you 3 easy ways on how you can start making money as a broke individual, completely broke that you cannot afford even a pen. And understand that if you will not start with these simple strategies, you will never end up owning a big business. I remember myself 3 years ago sitting on my bedroom thinking about how can I make money, and at that time I didn't want to invest money. So it was like I was broke. It was like I had zero money in my bank account. And I found these 3 great strategies on how I've been able to make some money and how also a lot of other people can make a lot of money as a broke individual. The first one is to sell your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr, it's a platform where you can simply sell your skills. Maybe you already have something, maybe you know 2 languages, maybe you know how to code, maybe you are good with graphic design with your computer, maybe you are good maybe to create funny videos or some other stuff, and you can sell your skills on Fiverr. Fiverr is a marketplace where a lot of people go there when they look for something, for some work, for some skills. For example, I am a business owner and I go on Fiverr maybe to look to new stuff, maybe a t-shirt design. And if you are good at design, I will show your profile, send you the money, and then you will design my t-shirt and you will send the design to me. So I can maybe print the design and sell the t-shirt. I can use the design for me, for my personal, or maybe with my friends. But Fiverr.com is one of the best places that you can sell your skills. And even if you have multiple skills, you can list all of them. So now you are able maybe to edit pictures, to edit videos, to code website, and you will make a lot more money. And you don't need a penny to start this business model. You can start today, right now, just signing up simply. And if you have a PayPal account, Fiverr will send the money on your PayPal account, and then you will send your money from your PayPal to your bank account. And then you can start spending your money or reinvesting your money in something bigger or to improve your skills. For example, I have done this in the fitness niche. I really enjoy fitness, it's one of my best hobbies, and I am good with meal plans, workout plans, and all this stuff. And I created my profile around fitness where I was selling workout at home. So people can stay at home without go to the gym, and they have a great workout plan for their body. I used to ask all the specification of the body, if people already are working out, what is the weight, what is the height, if it is a female or a male, and by doing this I will know exactly how I can create my fitness plan to that client. And you can do the same thing for every single thing in this world. You can maybe create video audit about something, you can create video tips, you can list PDF, everything that you want. Just go on Fiverr and find some ideas, find some stuff. Maybe you will find that other people are doing something and it has a lot of review, so this means that this is a good seller, and what he sells, it has demand, because it has no sense selling something that people don't want. You need to make sure to have a valuable skill for a lot of people. So then, once you create your profile, you just simply promote your profile Fiverr on all your social media. You share it on WhatsApp, you share it on Instagram, Facebook, so all the people around you know that this is your skill, know that if they need something around that, they can call you or maybe buy directly the product through Fiverr, and you will earn money. Fiverr will just take $1 or $2 of commission, but you can choose the amount of money that you will get paid, and you can pretty much earn unlimited income without investing, as I said before, a single penny. And if you right now are broke and you don't have money, this is one of the best ways that you can start today earning money online. The second strategy on how you can make money as a broke individual is to flip stuff. As Gary Vee say, just go on Craigslist, go on eBay, and just find something that is for free. For example, if I go on the Craigslist of my local area, I can see that there is table, sofa, and a lot of other stuff just completely for free. People just want to get rid of them and they don't even want money. For example, I've took a table that is about $100 or $200 table for completely free, and if I want to resell that table, I can sell it maybe for $60 and earn $60 easily by flipping this item maybe on Facebook Marketplace, create better pictures, create a good description, and you can also go online and find some little ideas to improve your copywriting skills. skills, so you can create a really good title for your product and create a really amazing description that is pretty much a sales letter. So a lot of people will contact you, and also you can raise the price, because if you have more people looking at the same of your product, you can raise the price because you know that there is demand. And then the next time that you need to flip something else, you know that there is demand, you already have people that bought from you, and you have some reputation, but you know exactly how the process works, and you will know exactly what is the margin and the prices and the money that you can make. This is one of the best ways. Personally, I never done it because I had some money, but if I would be broke right now with $0 in my bank account, I will absolutely go take the bus, take something for free on Craigslist, bring it home, take nice pictures with a night light and maybe something really good, maybe a table. Don't just put a table, but maybe add some flowers or some other stuff. Take the picture and put it on Facebook Marketplace, and you will see that a lot of people will contact you to buy your item. But you need to make sure that it's high quality and it's good, because you don't want to sell garbage, because if you do that, people will not buy from you, and then you will end up with your house full of crap that you cannot sell, and then you need to maybe put it on the trash and a lot of other stuff, and you will waste a ton of time. So make sure to take and resell just high quality product, and then once you start creating some income and you are able to save all this money and stack that money, you can start flipping bigger stuff. Maybe you can start flipping bikes, or maybe cars, or maybe some stuff that you can earn a lot more potential, maybe watches. For example, right now I am buying and reselling some Rolex, so I can make a little profit with one of my friends. And this is a good way how you can start making more money, and also in a funny and adventure way, because it's not boring. Go on Craigslist, go out, find the item, take it home, take the picture and resell it. And once you will see that you earn pretty much maybe $100 a day just by flipping stuff took for free on other websites, your mind will expand and you will start creating your entrepreneurship mindset, the mindset that will bring you to the success, to be rich and achieve what you want. And the third way how now you can make money as a broke individual is to create an Instagram or Facebook page. Just make sure to create a page online and then grow that page with a lot of content, a lot of stuff, engage with people. And then once you have some followers, there are two main ways how you can monetize your page. The first one are shoutouts. Shoutouts is pretty much that smaller pages than you ask you if you can do a promotion for them, maybe for $10, $50, $100, and you can simply share one of their picture on your profile. Now, if you go on Instagram and you look at big pages, you will see that these pages are promoting other pages, other accounts, maybe offers, and these offers come from other people that have contacted that page and asked if they can do some promotion, maybe for a certain amount of money. And these pages are earning a lot of money, and you need to do the same. And if you want to make big money, you need to grow a big and good page so people are willing to ask you to do promotion and to pay for your shoutouts. But make sure that you have real followers, because if you buy fake followers, yes, you will show your post maybe to 1,000 people, but if that 1,000 people, nobody likes it and nobody go to the client's page or client's website, that client will never buy again from you. So make sure to create a legit and real page with real followers, real engagement, and then grow it. Keep consistent, keep posting and all this stuff, and then wait that people contact you for shoutouts, or maybe you can also ask to other people if they're interested to promote on your page, maybe for $5 or $10. And the second way how now you can make money with this type of pages is with affiliate marketing. Maybe you already know affiliate marketing, but it's pretty much selling another person's product and you earn a commission. For example, you build an Instagram page about cats because you love cats, because you have 2 cats, and maybe all your family and friends are involved and love cats. So you have your page, maybe you have 20,000 followers on this page because you have been consistent posting maybe for the past month, really growing up your page, and now you have 20,000 followers. And maybe on Black Friday you see an amazing deal for a cat toy, and then you share that toy on your page. You may put a swipe up link or a link in bio, and then you post a picture on your page, simply telling to people to go and look at this product, that it's amazing, that it's really good, that you have used. And by the way, don't sell crap, sell just legit and good stuff. And then all the people that are interested and see that offer will click and will go there, and if they like it, they will buy it. And every time that a person buy that product, you will earn a commission. It can be few dollars, even $100, depending on the value of that product. But if you maybe do a page about computers and then you put an affiliate link about computers, you will earn about $50 to $100 every time that a person buys a computer on Amazon. And you just need to go on Amazon affiliate program or Amazon Associates and just sign up yourself, and then you will have your own links in order to create the best offer and the best deal for your followers. But make sure that you love the topic of the page, because you cannot create a dog page if you hate dogs. I have done it. I've done some pages about topic that I'm not interested, and yes, I have done it. I've got few results, but after a few months I lost my motivation because I was not passionate about the topic. And every time that I had to go online, search for pictures, maybe search for information to share, I was bored, and this was not sustainable for me. So I end up pretty much giving up on these pages and just focus on my main stuff, that is YouTube channel and social media marketing agency. But make sure to really enjoy and like what you want to sell and what you want to promote on your Instagram page. And by doing this, you will see that you will keep consistency on your page, and Instagram will end up promoting your images on the algorithm and the explore page. So you will end up having a ton of followers with a really small amount of work, because at the end, in order to manage an Instagram page, you just need maybe 1 hour a day. It's completely enough. And if you can make $100 a day just working 1 hour a day, I think that it's a really great way to earn money. And if you want to become successful, you need to know the 7 traits of successful people. Download the free PDF that you find in the description, so you will know exactly what successful people has and what you need to learn in order to become successful and have these skills. And once you will start making some money with one of these business model, or even all of 3, you can start all of 3 at the same time and then see which one is most profitable and which one do you like the most. And then stick to it until you will make big money, so you can take those money, enjoy life, and reinvest them on your business to grow and expand your business. But you cannot create a great business and make a good amount of money without having the right entrepreneurial mindset. And this is why I have created this next video right here, where I show you all the secrets of the entrepreneurial mindset. You need to watch this. I see you there. And I'm saying this because I've seen that the mindset is the most important thing in business. It's one of the most common traits between successful entrepreneurs. Everybody has different businesses, different industries,